In XX, XY type of sex determination, female is homogametic and male is heterogametic. Example is man and Drosophila. So female has XX and male has XY. Female produces same type of gametes having X chromosome, and male produces two types of gametes, one having X and others have 50% having X chromosome and 50% having Y chromosome. So the male and female formed in the progeny will be in the ratio of 1:1. In this case, female are homomorphic or homogametic, male are heteromorphic or heterogametic. 50% male gametes carry 22 autosomes and 1 X chromosome. This X chromosome is also known as gyno. The gamete having X chromosome is also known as gymnosperm. 50% male gametes carrying 22 autosomes and 1 X chromosome are called gymnosperms. And 50% male gametes carrying 22 autosome and 1 Y chromosome are known as androsperm. In man, female gametes carry 22 autosomes and 1 X chromosome, and they are known as egg. Chance for male or female individual is 50%. Chance for formation of male or female offspring is 50%. Now children, pairing of X and Y chromosome in human males. See, this is X chromosome and this is Y chromosome. Some part of X and Y chromosomes are homologous. Some genes are present on both X and Y chromosome, and this region is known as homologous region. Some genes on X chromosome are present only on X chromosome and they are absent on Y chromosome. Such genes are called X-linked genes. The genes which are present only on Y chromosome and are absent on X chromosome are known as Y-linked genes. So children, I am repeating it once again. In X and Y chromosome, some regions are homologous, means the genes which are present both on X and Y chromosome, such genes are known as XY linked genes because they are present both in X and Y chromosome. And some genes are present only on X, like LMNO gene are present only in X region, X chromosome, and they are absent in Y. Such genes are known as X-linked genes. And this portion of the X chromosome which is not homologous to Y chromosome is known as differential region of X chromosome. Y chromosome also has some genes which are present only on Y and absent on X chromosome. That region is known as differential region of X chromosome, and the genes are known as Y-linked genes or Holendrick genes. A part of X and Y chromosome is homologous, but remaining part is non-homologous, that is differential region. The genes present on homologous region of X and Y chromosome are XY linked genes. Their inheritance resemble inheritance of autosomal genes. For example, their inheritance resembles the inheritance of autosomal gene because these are present both in male as well as female. Therefore, they are known as XY linked genes, and their inheritance resemble autosomal genes. Example of these autosomal linked characters, XY linked characters are epidermolysis bullosa, xeroderma pigmentosa. Both are skin disorders. The genes present on differential region of Y chromosome are called Y-linked genes, that is Holendrick genes. These genes show Holendrick inheritance, means from father to son. These character Holendrick genes pass from father to son, therefore they show Holendrick inheritance. Example, TDF, testis determining factor. Hypertrichosis, presence of more hairs on the body. Webbed toes, keratoderma dissipation, porcupine skin, all these are Holendrick characters. The genes present on differential region of X chromosome are X-linked genes and show crisscross inheritance. Crisscross inheritance means from mother to son and then from son to daughter. This type of inheritance is known as crisscross inheritance. Example for crisscross inheritance is hemophilia, color blindness, Lesch-Nyhan syndrome, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. These 4 diseases are due to recessive gene. Their genes are recessive. Defective enamel of teeth. This is due to dominant gene. Next type of sex determination is XXX0 type of sex determination. In this, male has 1 chromosome less than the female. In this case also, male is heterogametic. It occurs in many insects, grasshopper and roundworms. It occurs in many insects, grasshopper and roundworm. Female is homogametic and male is heterogametic. So, chances of formation of male and female offspring is 50%. Here, males are deficient in 1 chromosome. That is, they have 1 sex chromosome less than the female. Male are with 1 sex chromosomes only. Male are heterogametic. 50% male gametes carry half number of autosomes and 1 sex chromosome. And 50% male gametes carry only autosome without any sex chromosome. Females are homomorphic or homogametic. Female gametes carry half number of autosomes and 1 sex chromosome. Chance for female or male progeny is 50%. Next type of sex determination is ZWZZ type. In this case, female is heterogametic and male is homogametic. Therefore, we are writing ZWZZ type. Case of female heterogametic. It occurs in birds. This example occurs in birds. Example, bird, hen, cock. In this case, hen is heterogametic and cock is homogametic. Here, female is heteromorphic or heterogametic. Male are homomorphic or homogametic. Chance for male or female progeny is 50%. Next type of sex determination is Z0ZZ type. Case of female heterogamety. Example, butterfly and moth. In this case, female is having 1 sex chromosome less than the male. Here, females are deficient in 1 sex chromosome. Female carry 1 sex chromosome only. Females are heterogametic. 50% females carry half number of autosomes and 1 sex chromosome. 50% male gametes carry only half number of 50% of female gametes carry only half number of autosomes. Here it should be female. Male are homomorphic, homogametic. Chance for male or female offspring is 50%. Next is chromosomal sex determination in honeybee. Children, note down here it will be female. 50% female gametes carry only half number of autosomes without any sex chromosome. Chromosomal sex determination in honeybee. It is according to haplodiploid system of sex determination. Female is diploid and male is haploid. Diploid set of chromosome 2n is equal to 32 and in male 16 chromosomes are present. Female honeybee has 32 chromosomes and by meiosis it produces gametes which are having 16 chromosomes. Male is haploid, it has 16 chromosomes and it produces gametes by mitosis. So when female and male gametes fuse, they will again form diploid set of chromosome that is 32 and the individual form will be a female. If the egg of female develops into a new organism parthenogenetically, see, by parthenogenesis and egg develops into an organism, then that organism will be a male. So in honeybee, male is haploid and it develops parthenogenetically. Female is diploid and it is formed by sexual formation of gamete plus fusion of gametes. So female organism is diploid and it is formed by fertilization, whereas male is haploid and it is formed parthenogenetically. So if egg develops parthenogenetically into male organism, and if egg fuses with male gametes, it forms female organism. Here sex determination depends on number of set of chromosome. Male are with one set of chromosome and female are with two sets of chromosome. Female gametes are formed after meiosis and male gametes are formed after mitosis. Fertilized female gamete becomes female organism. Unfertilized female gamete develops into male organism by parthenogenesis. Fertilized female gametes form female organism. Unfertilized male gametes degenerate. Now, fertilized female gametes will form female organism. The female which is fed on royal jelly will become a queen, and the female which is fed on bee bread becomes a worker. So here you can see that males are without father and cannot have son. Males have grandfather and can have grandson.